Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, now I want to show how to install GitLab Enterprise Edition on Ubuntu 20.04. This is my server information, operating system, Ubuntu 20.04, server IP address, RAM. This is my server RAM 4GB, but I recommend your production environment must be 8GB, disk 50GB, service GitLab Enterprise Edition. Now I check my server IP and server version. This is my IP address. Then check hostess file. Must be add your server IP address and fully FQDN in this hostess file, and then must be server update and upgrade using this command. Update and upgrade done. Now install some dependency package for GitLab. Select internet site for postfix configuration, system mail name. Dependency installation done. Now add auto script for install GitLab. Now download auto script done. The repository is set up. You can now install package. Now install GitLab Enterprise Edition, that means GitLab -E. E means Enterprise Edition. It will take up to 19 minutes for download and install. Now GitLab installation done. This is GitLab logo. Now reconfigure GitLab using this command. GitLab reconfigured done. Now start GitLab all service start. Okay. Now check GitLab CTL status. Yes, all service status is running successfully. And now reset login root password using GitLab Rails console. I am going to GitLab Rails console, option E, production. Then reset a root user password, otherwise you cannot log in your web access. Username is root, this is admin user, and password is my password PSSW0RD. Now log into Rails console, then select user where user ID is equal to 1, then user password must be use your own password, then confirm password, then user save, that means this user password save. Now access my server IP address and then login using root and root password. Now try login using root and password is password PSSW0RD. But sometimes you see first time login is loading. Don't worry. This is root is administrator user. Go to preferences. You have many settings from left side and you can use any theme from here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.